Hello, my name is Christelle, I'm French and I went to Tokyo in 2012. I'm now making a series of videos about this amazing trip and the video that you're watching right now is part 17 of this series. If you want to learn more about why I went to Tokyo in 2012 and why I started to share those videos in 2024, I recommend that you watch part 1 of this series, which is basically the introduction. Throughout this series of videos, I will be reading the notes that I wrote back in 2012 in French. So here's Japan and here is Tokyo. Dimanche 12 août 2012. Alright, so here is a closer look at Tokyo. J'ai dormi jusqu'à 8h, machine à laver. Lunch à 11h, nouilles à la maison à Kosuge. Here is Kosuge Station. So the house was here and Kosuge Station is there. So we have lunch there. That's a bowl I bought there. Actually, I still have it. So it's cheap, it's plastic, but it's tough and it's still with me, and I think I bought it in a store where like everything was 100 yen, so like $1. $1 at the time, maybe now that's like 80 cents, 60 cents. And basically I needed a bowl to eat ramen in something. Back to business. Mandarin oranges in a can. Tissues, oh, I think they gave those for free in the streets. It happened to me once that the person giving them didn't want to give one to me because obviously I'm not Japanese. So this person probably thought, well, she's not going to understand what's on the advertisement, so I'm not wasting this advertisement. Orange in a bowl. À 13h30, départ pour parc de la vie aquatique de Tokyo, Edogawa-ku. J'y suis restée de 14h15 à 17h. Puis, bord de mer. I think that's that Tokyo Sea Life Park. I think it's Tokyo Sea Life Park. So it's in Edogawa City, so Edogawa-ku. So there is a whole seafront there where you can walk. There's a train stop there. So that's Kosuge Station. So that's already at the place. On the seafront, you can see a Ferris wheel. Very nice. Yeah, a lot of kids there. Yeah, a lot of kids and families going there, basically. So that's the view from here, I guess. Alright, so the view from there of the seafront. So that's probably Tokyo Bay still. Okay, so now that's inside. Little fishy. Oh, big fish. No, that's a ray. Okay, a ton of photos. A ton of photos. Look, she's smiling. Really big tank. I like the little hand at the bottom. Again, a ton of photos. Just fish everywhere. There are like a lot of photos and videos of fish that are sometimes like super bad, so obviously I'm not going to show you everything because that would just be super boring. A big crab. Okay, so there's an outdoor space. Alright, so that's ice cream in a biscuit. Ooh. Ooh. I don't remember eating that. That just makes me hungry just looking at it. Okay, 1 minute. That is absolutely not Japanese, but that also comes from the Asian shop. You probably already know that. That's not like that original. They are having fun. He's cleaning himself now. Oh, it's those ones. Another fish that can get out of the water. Touching time. That's cute. Kind of both disgusting and cute. They are super fast there. Alright, so the birds have to fish themselves, sort of. Right, so that's outside again. Right, so just walking outside in the park. This is very pretty. So we have freshwater life. Oh, that's a frog. That's plants and snails. No, that's not a waterproof camera. That's a crab, something. Get some fish and shrimps. Come on, focus. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, there are some kids there. A lot of kids, actually. Oh, frogs. Oh, ice cream. That is quite impressive. So windy. That's really outside the Sea Life Center. That's the seafront. Very cute little train. I'm not sure what's that bridge, and it's so windy. Very nice place. There's a view of Tokyo in the distance. Is that the Rainbow Bridge? Okay, the waves, 1,000 waves. Little birds. And back on the bridge, I guess. I think it's Hamtaro. Vending machines! Yay! Oh my god, so many of them. Do you think it's a good business idea actually to own vending machines? Let's see. Come on. What am I doing? Oh, putting money in. Alright. Let's see it. Come on. 150. Ooh, that is cute. That's orange juice. What is that? Come on, let's show it. Yeah, it's orange, I guess. It's blurry. Face wheel. You are big. Rentrer à Kosuge à environ 19h30. So that would be there. And back to the house to Kosuge. That is dinner. Very nice. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoy taking a trip down memory lane and looking at those old photos and videos, even though they are terrible. I really enjoy looking at them. So thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!